Welcome to the Business Behind the Scene podcast with Francesca Moi, where we talk all about real business problems, real solutions, and getting actual results in your business. Hello, and welcome to episode number 98 of Business Behind the Scene. Today, we're talking about how amazing is my Facebook group. Well, how amazing is my Facebook group and how you can also do the same. So if you guys know, I teach business owners, coaches, how to get the business to the next level, how to get clients from social media. And I've taught for the last literally 5 years how to grow a Facebook group and how to monetize a Facebook group. And it's exploded the strategy in the last literally year. I've been working really hard into getting people converted from following to coming to the group, from the group into saying, oh my goodness, you guys are amazing, love what you're about, join me up. So we're getting more and more people. So at the moment we are literally generating about 40 to 50,000 a month just from the Facebook group. The people that don't sign up for the Facebook group, then they come to a workshop, and in a 4-hour workshop, then we convert them. So we are generating about 120,000 a month in sales from between the Facebook group strategy and the half-day workshop strategy. So it's a strategy that works. And obviously we are a proof of it, but also my clients are starting to convert lots more people from the Facebook group, which is so exciting. So the Facebook group, what's happened is that people see the proof, right? There is people in your group, there is the classes every week, there is momentum in that group, there is engagement, there is trust, there is social proof. Everything is happening in that Facebook group. So instead of having to jump on a call with someone that is a cold lead that never saw you before, you can jump on a call with someone that even if they're new to the group, there is a social proof that speak for yourself. There is a credibility that does the work for you. So having a Facebook group, it's like literally priceless. And I know some people are like, oh, FM, it's easy for you because you got 10,000 people in your group. No, listen, this can work for anybody. Like I have monetized this group from the beginning. I got people from the group joining into the half-day workshop and from the joining the Mafia Academy. I have never until this year tried to actually go straight from the group into a call and from the call into Mafia because I never thought it was possible. I thought people needed to come to a workshop, people needed that time. But what's happening is that sometimes people, when they realize that they need a coach, then they will just go and shop around, and the first coach that will give them an offer, they will buy. So sometimes people will come to my workshop going, yeah, I've been wanted to look for a coach, and then someone else is giving me the offer earlier, and I wish I signed up with you, but I signed up with them now, so now I've got to stick with that. And so it's such a pity because I was like, damn it, all these people that want to work with me, they can't work with me because they already signed up with someone else. So how can I make this better? And so this is where we started to monetize the Facebook group. We started to get people from the Facebook group into a call and from the call into becoming a client. And obviously, I am so grateful that I had the experience of, converting people from a workshop into the Mafia, because I've got the experience of knowing how to handle objection, how to authentically sell, because I'm not one of those people that just like to get people to say yes and then they regret it. I'm someone that likes people to say yes and get them happy and excited about their choice, not just regret it in any time. So this is where it's so priceless for me to be able to have now created an extra step in my funnel so that people can choose to say yes to my Facebook group right away rather than go into having to wait for the workshop to come along. So yeah, so it's been a really good strategy, and I'm really excited because I know that now this one topped up with our strategy is going to be able to now turn into $200,000-$300,000 a month every month. So we are very excited. I'm training some salespeople to be able to help me because I physically can't do any more sales calls because as you guys know, I've also like my lifestyle, so I like to have only work 4 days a week, and then by delivering workshops and other things, you actually start to go like about probably 10 full days a month that I'm free, and the other days I'm booked with calls and booked with clients and all of that. So it's very important for me to stick to my lifestyle and not overwork. So I'm training salespeople to get these going and get these people converted from the group without having to talk to me. So if you are one of those people that you're going, I would love to be a salesperson for you, then yeah, reach out for sure. We would love to train you. We would love to have you part of the team. That is for sure. Well, we don't know if we would love to have you part of the team, but you can apply and then we can have a look. I should be careful what I say. And so we have an application process for people that want to work with us. We do train you a lot in everything that we do. So I'm sure that you will find very, very, very valuable, not just for my business, not for because you're going to make money for me, and also for yourself, obviously, with the commission. But what's happening is that people that are doing sales with us, sales training with us to work for us, they actually improving their business, they're making money in their business, and they're loving what's happening in their business because they are learning the strategies closely from us. So that is a win-win. I always love to create win-win situation, which is very good. So it's really a matter of how can you create a Facebook group, and this is what we teach in the Mafia Academy, a Facebook group of like-minded people where you are the leader of this group, where you provide a solution in this group, where you are consistently giving value and adding classes and teaching to people, and also posting about anything that is going on, like posting about objections and help them and support them and give them an extra value to go, wow, I'm in love with these people. Every time I jump in this group, there is value, there is support, there is so much stuff in here. And so that's what we have created in the Facebook group. And that's why people then go, okay, I need to sign up. I need to do it. Okay, shut the front door. I'm in. And it's been such a fun journey because it's been pretty much like starting a new side of the business, because I obviously have done for 7 years. I know how to get people into my half-day workshop and convert them from the half-day workshop into becoming clients. I know how to do that, right? It's easy. It's simple. There's no doubts about that. But I just didn't know how to get people from, in not knowing me to join the group and then signing up as a client. So I had to sort of test, measure, and change it and tweak it. And now I realize how difficult sometimes for my clients is when they are trying to do all of that by themselves. Like, it's not easy. It's a lot of work to get started. But then once you start to get momentum, it's so exciting. It's so beyond exciting. So if you are wondering how we do it, that's another thing that we teach inside of the Mafia Academy. So we show you how to get people to first follow you, then join your Facebook group and meetup group, then come to your, either join from there into your academy or come to a program into your half-day workshop or a webinar, and from there joining your program. So we have a structure in place. So you don't have to wish that clients will come along. You know that clients will come along because you have different method of getting clients to convert. So no matter what you do, think about what type of community you could start, what type of group you could start that would be like a group of like-minded people where you can provide support. So what does that look like? So that's why I've rebranded my group to Workshop Secret for Coaches, because now who's joining are coaches that wants to run workshops. And so it's my perfect target market. And they're joining already with the idea in mind that I'm the expert, because that's what the group is called. And they already got, when they enter, they get access to free resources that's going to build trust, and then all of that is going to come up to a compound effect. I wanted for them to say yes to the program, which is super, super, super exciting. So with that, I want to give a shout out to one of my clients, Anusha, that stepped out of her comfort zone, started to do Facebook Live every single day, and reached over 500 people for one single live, which is huge for her because she used to be invisible before joining Mafia only a couple of weeks ago. So Anusha came from our Facebook group, saw the Facebook group, saw what we're about, and said, I need you guys to help me. So I love what we do. You guys come back into Workshop Secret for Coaches and get some free coaching in there and the free resources that we offer. And I will be back from my holiday just in a couple of weeks, and I will be back here. So I will see you. Well, for you, won't change anything because I'm recording this before my holiday, but I will see you back next week for you, and it will be a couple of weeks for me. All right. See you guys. Have a fantastic week. Hey, if you enjoy listening to this podcast, then you have to come to check out our Facebook group, Workshop Secrets for Coaches. It's a community of over 9,500 coaches that are ready to boom their business by running workshops. They are stuck in one-on-one coaching and they're ready to start to go one-to-many. So if you are one of those coaches, then you have to join us. I look forward to see you there. And hey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave me a review to win a ticket to one of my workshops. I look forward to see you there.